Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 16th March 2026, Nifty index opened with a gap down of nearly 180 points near 23,500 and bears took charge from the very first tick. Sustained selling pressure dragged the index lower towards 23,100 levels as every minor bounce was being met with fresh supply. The index has shed nearly 1,300 points in the week, forming a large bearish candle on the daily frame and weekly frame as well. The ongoing lower lows formation on the daily as well as weekly structure continues to signal persistent selling in the trend. Selling remained intense throughout the week, keeping bulls firmly on the back foot and highlighting the strength of the bearish momentum in the market. India VIX was up by around 5.2% to 22.6 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.75. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,700 to 23,700, while immediate range could be in between 22,900 to 23,400 levels. Now moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 10,119 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 9,352 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 9.9%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 23,300, weakness could be seen towards 22,900 and 22,700, while hurdles have shifted lower to 23,500. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 54,000, weakness could be seen towards 53,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 54,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Muthoot Finance, Tata Consumer and Coal India, while some weakness could be seen in Bharat Forge, Motherson, CG Power, Maruti, Grasim, AB Capital, Indigo and SBI. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for salt advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.